The end of the millennium.
We could all be living in the dark ages.
Now the time has finally run out. What if they're right?
There's still a plane in the air.
The emergency alert system has issued a required weekly test for the following areas: Polk County, Lake County, Orange County, and Osceola County. This is only a test. If this had just been an actual emergency, you will need to follow instructions followed by radios, televisions. This is only a test.
Later on an all-new Tonight Show,
Who's your daddy?
for the first time anywhere, the father of these baby chimps will be revealed.
Somebody did a...
With the power to perform over 1 billion calculations per second, the Pentagon wants to ensure that the new Power Macintosh G4 does not fall into the wrong hands. As for Pentium PCs, well, they're harmless.
The following is a civil danger warning issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency and local authorities for Polk County, Lake County, Orange County, and Osceola County. A critical local cyber anomaly has been detected involving commercial digital infrastructure. Local law enforcement and cybersecurity teams report that the initial breach originated from regional distribution centers, causing localized power grid fluctuations and severe interference with municipal communication frequencies. Residents in the affected Central Florida counties are advised to secure their personal electronics, minimize unnecessary internet usage to preserve bandwidth, and remain indoors while utility crews work to isolate the corrupted signals. Please monitor local media for further details and instructions from county officials.
Providence, all new NBC Friday.
Riders on the storm.
A simple lane change changed her life forever.
Somebody help me!
He took his rage off the road and into her home.
It keeps getting closer and closer.
NBC presents a...
KBKids.com. We get toys, as well as any grown-ups can.
Cool.
KBKids.com. We get toys. Order online now and you get free shipping until October 15th.
Y2K, the movie.
We interrupt our regularly scheduled programming. This is the emergency action notification. All normal broadcasting has been suspended at the request of the federal government. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has declared a national cyber emergency. A severe network attack has compromised the firmware of Tamagotchi units nationwide. The high volume of glitched devices attempting to connect simultaneously is causing widespread cellular and radio network failure. All citizens must immediately remove the batteries from all Tamagotchi units to break the signal loop. Do not call 911 for toy malfunctions. Keep emergency lines clear. FEMA is working to neutralize the signal. Stand by for further updates. This concludes this transmission of the emergency alert system.